Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2012 Toyota Yaris LE. This is a 5-passenger hatchback in silver. Under the hood you'll find a 4-cylinder driving on 15-inch wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom of the door you'll find some nice storage space, and above it you have your power windows, locks. Next to the door you have your power mirrors. Equipped with light gray and black cloth seating. On the bottom you'll find your manual seating adjustment handles. Up here, just to show you, this Yaris does have 156,301 kilometers on it. We also have cruise control, and you will find that behind the wheel. There's your speed settings. Moving on to our radio here, if we press radio, you have your standard AM and FM options. Here are your volume buttons, nice smooth turning dials. Underneath you'll find your climate control system. Again, you got these sturdy, thick dials. There is your AC button. Underneath we have some storage space as well as 2 cup holders. Here is your shifter. We have some more storage compartments, and we also have a nice little handbrake here as well. And lastly is the glove box. It does feature your owner's manual. We also have a nice little convenient shelf up top. But now let's just close that up. Before we open up the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. Continuing with the light gray and black cloth seating. And if we go in just a little bit, we will find some storage space on the bottom there. And behind the front passenger seat, you have a nice little pocket, and that'll provide you with some extra bit of cargo space. To open up, all we got to do is press this button right under that Toyota emblem. There's plenty of cargo space in this hatchback. Of course, the second row seating goes down. You can do this by pressing that. If we look underneath here, you do have your spare tire and tools to change that in case that ever goes out on you. To close up, we got this handle up top. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at a 2012 Toyota Yaris LE. Once again, some of those great interior features include your cruise control, power adjustable side mirrors, and 5-passenger seating. There's still a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.